Hi guys. Hi guys. If we want to install Python latest version, go to the Google Chrome. Here you can type the Python. Go for the website Welcome to Python organization. Here under downloads, you can see the latest version of Python. You can click on this to download. Then after you can double click on the download. Yes. Here we need to add path. It automatically add the Python path to the environment variable. Go for the custom installation. Here pip, if we want to install any libraries in Python, this pip will be useful. Next, here if you want to give access to all users, you can click on the all users. Automatically it will select the some default path for the Python. Just you can keep as it is. Install. It will change, make it. Do you okay to change the yes, installation completed. Close. Let's check here through the start command prompt. Here, if you people want to check Python version, type Python hyphen version. Yes, this is the latest version. If you people